So hey guys, this is brow lamination time. This is a picture of her before eyebrows, and you can see more clear on the side. And so brow lamination is great for feathered eyebrows, a new hybrid thing. This is the perm lifting, and you can see again the before. Just wanted you to see really quick results. I also teach brow lamination. If you have any questions, you can go ahead and comment below, subscribe, and share. You can also follow me on my Instagram at World of Nails and Beauty Lounge or Celebrity Beauty Guru. And here is a video of her full effect of brow lamination. They're not supposed to wet it for 24 to 48 hours. If you want it to last long, just try to wipe your face around it. But yeah, this is great for curly haired eyebrows and the eyebrows that stick out. If you know what I mean, you guys always have to pluck it out. But thank you for watching. Bye.